Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animal, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together. So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor. So for today art, just sketch out a vase and the leaves with your pencil. Make sure you leave some space for the flowers. Now just use your medium brush, paint the flowers using a watery mixture of blue. While it's still wet, add a touch of olive green into that one as well. Now it's time for leaves. Mix olive green, a little blue, a tiny permanent ceramine to make the color for leaves. Use your large brush this time and paint the leaf using the brush, allowing color to pool in certain area. Just to your paint, add a bit of darker green and make it a bit darker in some area. Add this color very carefully. A little bit can make a big impact. Just be patient and wait for leaves to dry. Once they dry, add veins and stain using a darker green and use your small brush. And once your flowers are completely dry, add some highlights. Don't be scared, add a bit of green or purple in the mixture as well. When you finish with flowers and stain, just grab your small brush and use like a dark brown, or you can even use black, to outline the glass vase. And at the end, add a watery wash of brown to the bottom of the vase to make like a water effect. And that's it. It's simple and beautiful. Hope you enjoyed it. Until the next lesson, see you later.